In this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable developer mode on Android 17 stock OS. By default, developer options are hidden on your Android phone, but you can easily turn them on in just a few steps. First, open the app drawer and tap on the Settings app. Scroll down and tap About Phone. Now scroll all the way to the bottom and tap Build Number 7 times. You may be asked to unlock your phone to confirm. Once done, you'll see a message on the screen that says, "You are now a developer." Next, go back to the main settings page and tap System. Here, open the Advanced section and you'll see developer options available on Android 17. Tap Developer Options to access additional settings. Inside, you'll find several advanced features, including app memory usage, background running services, USB debugging, logger buffer size, and much more. If you no longer want to use developer options, simply toggle it off. To hide developer options from the settings menu, turn it off and go back. And that's it. That's how you enable or disable developer mode on Android 17 stock OS. Thanks for watching.